Hey friends, if you encounter a screen flickering issue on your Windows PC, then most probably it is a hardware issue. Here's the thing. First of all, get the cables checked, get the monitor checked. Now, once this is done, the next two solutions will be very direct. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click and update it. Okay, and the second one will be, okay, so search for refresh rate. Okay, go to settings, we'll go to system, we'll go to display, we will scroll down. Okay, and then we will go to the graphics section and we will make sure that variable refresh rate is checked. Then we will return to display, we will scroll down to advanced display, and we can try playing around with the refresh rate a little bit. Okay, because the refresh rate could be an issue, but the primary issue I believe is this thing, the monitor, the hardware. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.